I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my bestest. And nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some. But I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. I am yours. Hey, hey, you best believe I'm yours. Now open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find love, 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 love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family, and it's our God-forsaken right to be loved, love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. Someday I wish upon a star. Wake up where the clouds are far behind. Behind me, somewhere over the rainbow. Bluebirds fly, see them fly. Birds fly. I am over the rainbow. Why, oh, why can't I? I've been spending way too long checking my tongue in the mirror and bending over backwards just to try to see it clearer. But my breath fogged up the glass, so I drew a new face and I laughed. I guess that what I'm saying is there ain't no better reason to rid yourself of vanities and just go with the seasons. It's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue. But I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. So please don't, please don't, please don't. There's no need to complicate, 'cause I'm so sure this is our fate. I'm yours. Another day without your smile. Another day just passes by. But now I know how much it means for you to stay right here with me. The time we spend apart will make our love grow stronger. But it hurts so bad I can't take it any longer. I wanna grow old with you. I wanna die lying in your arms. I wanna grow old with you. I wanna be looking in your eyes. I wanna be there for you, sharing in everything you do. I wanna grow old with you. 1,000 miles between us now. It causes me to want tonight. Remain so strong. It makes our wrists right all along. The time we spend apart will make our love grow stronger. But it hurts so bad I can't take it any longer. I wanna grow old with you. I wanna die lying in your arms. I wanna grow old with you. I wanna be looking in your eyes. I wanna be there for you, sharing in everything you do. I wanna grow old with you. Things can come and go, I know, but baby, I believe.
I have something very important to tell you, though.
What?
Me and Tyler went on a hike today, up in East Maui,
You
and
didn't get married.
no, we did not get married. but he did propose to me on top of a waterfall.
Oh, so you're engaged?
Yes, we are.
Oh, good. Have you got a ring and everything?
Yes, he did.
Sharing in everything you do. I wanna grow old with you. Things can come and go, I know, but baby, I believe something's burning strong between us. It makes it clear to me. I wanna grow old with you. I wanna die lying in your arms. I wanna grow old with you. I wanna be looking in your eyes. I wanna be there for you, sharing in everything you do. I wanna grow old with you. I wanna die in your arms. I wanna grow old with you. I wanna be looking in your eyes. I wanna be there for you, sharing in everything you do. I wanna grow old.
Love you both very much. You know that. It'll
Yeah.
what's best for you. And you know, I'm happy for you. You're happy. I'm happy. But we just want you guys to have a good life together, and start it off right.